Hey guys, welcome back to Paracord Planet. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a loop slip.
Apparently the AI is back. So with the AI back today, I'm definitely gonna need a hand. So I asked our friend Ross to be a helping hand and possibly another brain to try and figure out what the AI is trying to teach us. Alright, AI, we're ready.
In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a loop slip. Not to the bob loop on your belt.
Bob loop. Okay.
Bob loop?
You got the bob.
Is this the bob loop?
Yeah, you got the bob loop.
Okay, alright.
We're gonna go with that.
Okay, so what was it? What one more time, AI?
Not to the bob loop on your belt.
Not to the bob loop on your belt. Okay.
I mean, we're just gonna.
Yeah, cut off that. All right, and then knot it. Is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
In order for this to actually be functional on your belt, it has to have a loop at the top.
Of the cord or of the loop?
I'm gonna say.
Have to have a knot.
So I'm gonna do loop.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
And then maybe make like
Because if it's closed, there's no way it's going to be secure.
Obviously.
Right.
Oh no.
See?
My bob loop came off.
Not secure.
So, let's get started.
Not secure.
Secure
We weren't
that.
started yet. What? Wait a second. What?
Secure
We're not
that cord.
started.
Yeah.
If we take this string,
This one.
Okay.
put the needle back on the edge of the string.
Okay. Okay.
I'll show you what that looks like on my next video.
No, we need it now. We need it now.
What?
Okay.
Okay, so here we go.
Yeah.
First, we'll start by making an eye and then making a slip knot.
First again, we've already started 3 times here.
Well, if we make one eye, so I'll make an eye. Let's see if I can make an eye here.
Okay.
Okay.
You're making an actual eye?
I'm gonna make an eye.
I was going with a capital
I'm gonna go with
I,
an eye.
just straight up and down.
I'll just do like an eye.
And then making a slip knot.
Oh.
Oh, God,
So
I
here,
can't
that's
make
like
a
an eye
slip knot.
shape, and then we can slip knot it on.
Okay. Oh, I got.
Yeah, we made it.
Or that. I'll hold the string with my left hand.
You can do. You
Should
hold
I-
it. You
I'll
hold
it
with
and
one.
you do
I got
it?
the other
'Cause
one.
I can only hold
Okay.
it with my.
All right, we're through this
Yep.
one.
Now, if you could tie a regular slip knot, that would be great.
It'd be great. That'd be great. Can you got this? Just slip knot?
No, I think. Okay, I got this.
If you can't, that's okay. Just use something smaller.
Okay. We're just gonna make an. Yeah, we're gonna make an actual knot again. Okay.
Alright, now this is a slip knot. Not a regular slip knot. It's going to be a regular slip knot. Now, I'll take my finger and just take the thread and go around the next loop and go back up. That's going to make a nice slip knot.
Go back through the loop.
Yep.
Back up. Oh.
Well, just.
Now, I'll pull it on the other side.
Okay.
Alright, now I have a slip knot.
No. No. What? No.
Now, I want to grab the string with my right hand
Already done,
Got it.
robot.
and push it out on the loop. There we go. Okay, I have my next slip knot.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Hey.
Now, I can come back here,
Again?
put my needle on my string, and make my next slip
How many?
knot.
What do you want? Like 4 slip knots
I
on
mean,
here?
just make sure that you're following the instructions.
Okay. All right.
It'll turn out great.
Now I'm going to go back to the top.
So I think top.
Yes, top. You're
Yep.
right. You're
Okay.
right. I'm
That loop,
backwards.
you got that loop over there.
Grab my first slip knot,
Okay.
and I'm going to go around the bottom and pull it tight. Now I have a slip knot on the bottom.
Go
bottom.
around the bottom of
If you
here.
leave your fid, yeah, and then go around the bottom and through, and you just pull it tight.
And pull it tight.
You gotta pull it tight.
Now I have a slip knot on the bottom.
It's looking great. It's
Okay. Through, out the other side. Okay. Boom.
Okay.
Now, I have a slip knot here. I'm going to take it over my string.
Wait, hold on. Make sure that you can show what we have.
I can't get
How
it.
many slip knots
I can't get
so
the knot
far?
through the knot anymore.
I'm going to take it over.
No! Stop!
I'm going to pull it over.
Just pull it over.
Now I have a slip knot here. Now I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back. And I have a slip knot here. And I'm going to go back.
You gotta go back.
Now I have a slip knot here.
There's a slip knot there.
And now I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back and I have a slip knot here. And now I'm going to go back.
You gotta go back.
I'm going to go back and I have a slip knot here. Now I'm going to go back. Now I have a slip knot here. And I'm going to go back. That's how you make a loop slip.
So I just want to give one more thank you to our AI friend for dropping by. And I also want to say thanks to Ross for also giving us a hand and helping us all learn this awesome paracord craft. So hopefully you enjoyed this one, maybe learned a little bit of something, but definitely keep your eyes peeled for our next AI guest appearance.